What is crypto arbitrage trading and how do you make profits with crypto arbitrage trading? So crypto arbitrage trading is buying your assets at a lower price in a centralized platform and selling those assets in a higher price in a decentralized platform. So you can join my free classes. Make sure you go to my bio in this video. So whichever you are watching, then click on the bio. Then you don't just open the link. Just come on these three dots up here, click there and open in browser and join my Telegram channel for free classes. So we are trading crypto arbitrage trading and we want to make some profits and also make some withdrawal in Ranquilly. So we buy our assets at a lower price in a centralized platform, that's Binance, and we are actually trading with the crypto arbitrage bots. So there is no hard work, profits are there, and we want to flip at least double of our capital. So let's get to it. I don't want to take much of your time. I just want you to learn and execute your profit. So I won't make a deposit. You already know how to make a deposit in your Ranquil account, and also how to do registration, and also how to get your verified Ranquil account. So make sure you sign in, and actually it should be all verified, my guys. So after that, come here, make sure it is verified and funded. You can see mine is funded with 305,000 USDTs. So you come on your trading arbitrage bots. Then we want to make some very fast transactions here. I'll be trading with Flash Probot because I have an opportunity to double my profit. So you can see the expected profit margin is 300 and the loss margin is 80%. So we are trading BTC and Ethereum in 10 minutes. Win rate is 220. So if you have a capital of 300 and above, make sure you join this trade right now before the market changes. So I'll just get to it and do a capital of 500 and deploy my bot. So it is just 10 minutes. I think we should wait until this trade ends, and as you can see, I have a potential to make 1096 at the end of just 10 minutes. So the bot is running, everything is going on. Arbitrage is what we are trading, and the bot is at 4% trading crypto arbitrage trading. So right now, go get your arbitrage bots. They are free in your Ranquilly account. And if you are doubting you can't withdraw, then let me prove you wrong. Just come to your assets after making profits or after doing everything. Even you can deposit and withdraw immediately without any problems. So just come to your Binance. You can use Bybit. I say you can substitute this. So I can't be using Bybit today. What tomorrow? I'll be confusing too many people. So click on deposit, and then come on USDT and copy your address for TRC20. Then go on Ranquilly, click on withdrawal, click on USDT. You can substitute with BTC. Then you come here, you paste the address. Then let's withdraw just 50 USDTs and confirm. Meanwhile, while we are waiting for withdrawal, which takes around 2 to 15 minutes, we'll check our arbitrage bot, and it's still making some profits. So let's go back. I show you my balance. You can see I have a balance of 1905, and today I also made some withdrawals. So let's wait for that minutes. Then we'll wait for our bot to complete. I should wait for this bot to complete so that I can end this video with profits and with a successful withdrawal. So make sure you watch this to the end. And as you can see, I've already made 108 sessions with the crypto arbitrage bots, and these are my profits. 179,507, and my withdrawals actually they are ranging at that point. So if you come to transaction history, you can see I have approved more than 121 approved withdrawals, which sums up to 170, and I have a pending awaiting withdrawal of that which we've seen there. So let's wait for the bot to complete and also for our profits to arrive in our Binance account. So everything has been approved, my trade, my withdrawal, and everything. That's it. You can see here, everything has been approved. My withdrawal, it is today, 12. The transaction history, I show you my bot's profits. It is somewhere here. You can see it. Just here. It is there. I guess you can see it. It is today, 1096. So withdrawal approved. The notification is there, time and date. Then we go on Binance. You can check it has changed from 1905 to 1955, and it is actually here. So that's how you trade with automated bots, crypto arbitrage trading. Make sure you start now. If you have any question, make sure you chat